Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I think this video might be short and sweet. One of the most hated questions, comments, not question, but comment we get probably on our YouTube, on our Instagram, and on our Facebook is, why the hell would you ever lift an RV? That's the stupidest thing ever, and leave it two-wheel drive. Well, guys, I'm gonna answer some of those questions in this video, because there's a ton of reasons why, and most people aren't taking their RV serious off-roading, and that's reason number one, because you don't really need four-wheel drive. Where are you really going in this? Unless you live in a part of the country that you're getting a lot of snow, or you live down a muddy road. But here, guys, this is one of the main reasons, and why this is why one of the reasons that a customer brought it to us. And you may see, like, if you look at the clearance that you have from the tank, you know, the black water where you're going to drain your tank, and the ground, it's not very much. And that's what's crazy on these. And guys, here's the thing. Here's what I forgot to mention. We already lifted this RV. It's 6+ inches higher already in the rear. So imagine just how low this would be. And this particular customer had such a problem with dragging the RV that they had to make these wheels, roller wheels, to go on just to help it from just bottoming out on everything. You can see that our driveway is a pretty good driveway right here, and it's nowhere close to bottoming out, because if I were to have showed you this, you'd be like, yeah, that's fine, no problem. And then you realize, wait a second, it's already been lifted? Oh, maybe I can see why. So really, it's the ground clearance. And now this RV here is gonna come in, this is only a 26-foot RV. So imagine if you have a 32-foot RV, you're gonna have 4 more feet, 5 feet of overhang, depending on what it is, between the 28 and 31 foot. So now that's putting you in this hump where you can see that we've had a couple other RVs leave their mark here on the ground as we pull them in and out of this driveway. And that's crazy when you go and spend $60,000 to $80,000 for a brand new RV. And I mean, this thing is awesome, a Chateau. So I really like these Class Cs, they're great, but this is a huge problem. And this one doesn't have the levelers on it. So keep in mind, if your RV had the leveling jacks on it, those things hang even lower, which is definitely going to be a problem. So as we move our way to the front of this thing, you'll see all kinds of awesomeness. So in this, we're keeping it really simple, guys. So we're doing the coils, we're doing our standard Fox shocks in this, our extended radius arms. We did add our Fox steering stabilizer to the front of this, and then the drop brackets for the sway bar. So no wheels, no tires, no nothing, just the meat and potatoes. I'm gonna pull this all the way out on the flat ground and show you this RV, because I really want you to take a look at it. Because here's the thing, most people say, well, you know, I wanna lift it, but I think 6 inches just might be too tall. I wanna point you to this video, show you this video, and show you that it's really not that tall when you don't add the wheels and tires and all kinds of other craziness that we love to add. So let's pull this out and just take another look. All right, guys, so overall, I think this Thor Chateau is sitting really nice. I don't think that it is like too high out of the question. I would say from the ground to this corner, we're sitting at about 14 inches, which is gonna be some nice height and not overly too tall. It's not gonna be difficult to get into, whether it be from the front doors or the rear door, which is going to be really great. So if you have questions on lifting your RV and the craziness that we do here at Weldtec Designs, make sure you guys comment below, smash that subscribe button. That's all I got for you. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec, and I will see you guys in the next video.